Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm .y Auto Service. Today I explain about this car AC is not on, so how we check and where is a problem. Let's follow me. I start explain. First, start car engine. Next, on AC. After this, I will go to check compressor is on or not. Can you see compressor is not on? So now I using spare cable from terminal plus battery and remove clutch magnet cable wire and touch here. Now AC on.
So AC compressor is good, don't have problem.
Next step, I check pressure compressor. I using gauge, fixed pipe, low pressure pipeline side, red color, high pressure pipeline side. So I using this cable again for temporary testing and check pressure compressor. Now compressor is on. It's possible to check compressor pressure. Now you can see the gauge show correct gas and pressure compressor. So remove this cable and I fix again clutch magnet cable, fix back. Next, we are going to check AC compressor pressure switch. This pressure switch basically have a 3 wire and we can use water to check. Now I drop the water on the socket wire
For check compressor is on or not. If compressor is on, means pressure switch is not function. Can you see is compressor is on. Now I find the problem. Problem is compressor pressure switch not function.
This is location compressor pressure switch. Now I replace this pressure switch. So before replace pressure switch, throw the gas AC system, and then after throw process the gas can be replaced pressure switch. So can you see now process through the gas. After finish this process, I will replace pressure switch new one. This pressure switch basically 3 function. First, control AC fan low high speed. Second, automatic cutoff AC system. Number 3, because of any reason leakage gas AC compressor system, the pressure switch is control AC system automatically off. Now is process finish replace. After replace, I start filling gas. So this side is low pressure line on, and this side high pressure line side. If you don't know, you can see at cap right L, so means low pressure gas line side. If right H, high pressure pipeline side. This is my AC compressor vacuum system. This is my vacuum machine for I'm self-made this using for vacuum. So before filling gas, can you see blue color gauge? Now needle position is between red and blue color. So after vacuum, I'm waiting come to minus 30 psi. So I stop machine vacuum, and then I waiting for 30 minutes. So now I fix pipe yellow color for vacuum. Low gauge side, you open wall little bit. Now I on vacuum machine. Now can you see needle is move to minus 30 psi. So needle is now arrive minus 30 psi. When needle is stop minus 30 psi, I stop vacuum machine. So before stop, I close color gauge wall. After close, I stop vacuum machine. So now I am waiting for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, needle stay still in minus 30 psi, means pipeline is not any leakage. This is gas HFC 134 for almost all vehicle using. So now I explain about filling process. Many of car instruction at the front of car writing, but not all car. If you don't know about quantity filling gas, you can follow this temperature pressure chart. First you check the temperature in your area the day. If you don't know, you can check the Google about the weather temperature. For example, in my area right now the temperature is 29 Celsius, so I filling low pressure gauge 45, minimum and maximum 55 psi. High pressure gauge 250, minimum and maximum 270 psi, means 270 psi. After 30 minutes, needle still at minus 30 psi, not move. So not any leakage in AC pipeline. So blue color pipe using for low pressure pipeline side, can you see L, low pressure, and yellow color pipe for filling, red color pipe for high pressure line. High pressure line side, you remove, can you read right H. Now I fix this gas bottle with filling pipe yellow. I open this first. Before filling, you little bit loose this pipe because air flow. After this, first start your car engine and then on car AC. Just follow middle. So open this first and then blue color side open wall is little bit after stop, not open for long time, just only few seconds and off, on, open and close, open and close. This process until gas 45 psi. Show your gauge, then stop process. Stop and close. another bottle because this bottle is empty. Now you can see 45 psi blue low pressure pipeline side show mid gauge, and red color show 220. So filling process is done. Can you see cooling is very good now. Thank you for watching video, and don't forget like and comment. See you later.